Hello friends, myself Trishya, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology. Here we are discussing about database management system. So today's topic is relational data model. Its introduction. So this is the mind map of database management system, which is all the topics covered in this uh, in this diagram. Then introduction to relational data model. It is proposed by EF Code in 1970. Most widely used data model in DBMS. That data is represented in a form of tables, or the table is known in data DBMS as relation, forms the basics for SQL databases. So relational data model overview. Database consists of collection of relations. Each relation is a table with rows and columns. Data manipulation is done using relational operation, ensures data integrity and consistent. So relational data model, which the database is collection of data or collection of relations, collection of tables. Each one is connected. Each table contain rows and columns, that is attributes and tuples. Or then the data manipulation is done using the connection between these relations, like relation using some operations. Then which ensures data integrity and consistency. So the relation. Next is relation. Relation means the table. A relation is a table with rows and columns. Each relation has a unique name. Column represent attribute, row represent tuples. Example, student table. We already discussed in previous lecture. So first one is tuple. Types of tuples. There are different types of tuples in this given here. A tuple is a single row in a relation, represents one record of data. Example, 101 Ravi CSE 20. This is the first record in a table, student table. The 101 is student ID, then student name, department, and mark. Each tuple is unique in a relation. Then next is attribute. An attribute is a column in a relation, represent property of an entity. Each attribute has name and data type. Example, student ID, name, department. In a table, student table, the student ID, name, department are the attribute, or which is the column header of a relation. Then there are different types of attributes, like symbol attribute, composite attribute, single valued attribute, key attributes, derived attribute, multi-valued attribute, etc. So domain is the value in the table. A domain is the set of valid values for an attribute. Suppose we have a student name column header table. We have we given the name Drishya here, so that is known as domain. Defines the types and the range of values. Example, age integer 18 to 25, name character string. Then properties of relations, no duplicate tuples, order of rows is not important, order of columns is not important. Each cell contains atomic values which didn't which can which is atomic. We can divide the values. All values in a column belong to the same domain. Then relational schema, which is a definition of a table, defines the structure of the relation name, attribute, data types are included in a relational schema. Suppose student of student ID, name, department, age. The student is the table name. These are the attributes. Then next is ER diagram. ER diagram or is relational schema. ER diagram is, this is representing square, the rectangle, and rectangle is the entity. The ellipse is the attribute, and the diamond shape is the relation. The written is cardinality. Okay, so this is we clearly explained in next video. Then this is a schema versus instances. This is the database management system catalog. Then this is the representation of the database. The cylinder structure or is represented the database. Then some advantage of relational model: simple and easy to understand, data independence, reduced data redundancy, strong integrity constraints, easy querying using SQL, support security and consistency. These are the advantages of relational model. Then here are some references of our DBMS textbook, and hope all of you understand about the relational models and what are the basics of representation of entity relation, what are the components of relation, the table, the tuples, and attribute and domain. Hope all of you understand about this, and thank you.